Good morning, children. In the previous chapter, we studied about the basic features of MS Access like inserting and deleting a field and design view and datasheet view, children. In this chapter, we covers the advanced features of MS Access such as doing calculations in a database and searching, sorting, filtering and importing data from another applications. Okay children, that means in this chapter we should learn about the how to do the calculations in a database and searching any particular detail or sorting, filtering and importing data from the other applications we can learn, children. The first topic is calculation in a data sheet. Okay children, the first one is the calculation in the data sheet. For this, you can perform the calculations in your data sheet as per your requirement. MS Access provides some options for doing calculations. Okay, we can see the one by one, children. The first one is calculations in a data sheet, children. You can perform the calculations in your data sheet as per your requirement. MS Access provides some options for doing calculations. Let us see this considering the following example. The first topic is calculations in a data sheet, children. For that, first we should open the MS Access, children. For that, you just click on here search button. There you can click on the Microsoft Office Access 2007. Then it will be open like this, children. You just click on here blank database. Can you see this one, children? Just click on the blank database. Then here this side, right side, you will have the create button. Just click on create. Okay children, this is called the navigation pane and this is home tab. In this home tab you have all these options, children, and this is the create tab. Here you have all these options and here external data and database tools and data sheet, all these having, children. In this one, table one, see here add new field option is there, children. Here you can type the table. Okay, here you can enter the data. Already I entered one table, children. I am just opening that now. See here, children, in the navigation pane you just click on the tools option in the records group of the home tab. Here in the home tab we just having here we having the totals group, children. See this one, this is called the totals. If you click on that one, it displays the new row named as total. It appears on the next row of the last record of the table. Here you have the total children. Now select the field which you want to add. Okay children, if you want add tuition fee, you just click on here. In this one new column is there, no children. In the total row you just click on here. Then you will have the down arrow symbol, children. One down arrow symbol will be there, no, just click on here. Click to add total is there, no, just click on here. Right left click. Then you will get the options like sum, average, count, maximum, minimum, standard deviation and variance like this. What you want now, you want to add now, so just click on here sum. If you click on that there sum, it means you will get the total of the tuition fee. Okay children, did you understand this one? You select the function from the list, you have to select that sum function. Here we just click on here sum function. If you want average means you just click on here, just click on the average. Here you want any count means what, how many are there, you will get that one, 5, like that. If you want maximum one, you just click on here click on the maximum one, like that. Okay children, like this you can do the calculations in MS Access. The second topic is, children, searching in a data sheet. Sometimes we require a particular data in your data sheet, means it is very difficult to search the information or to search the exact location. The search box is help to search anything in the data sheet, children. The search box located at the bottom of the Access window makes it easy to search. Okay, children. For that, what we can do, it seems, means first we can enter a part or whole world or a date or number in the search box and then press the enter key. Now we can see the with an example. Okay, children. See children, here to search anything, here in the data sheet at the bottom we have the search button, children. See children, see the mouse here search option is there. No, you just click on here once, then the search will go on, the cursor will come. Here you can search the word, whatever word you want to search, you just click on. Now I am typing that Kabir, Kabir, Kabir. If I am typing K only, you will see here the Kabir is a highlighted one. Okay, if you want that, you just click on it. Okay, children, Kabir. Or now I am searching for the green. See here, children, green. Green. If you am typing the green is highlighted. If you want another word, okay, see here 2 times green is there. If you just click on here enter key, automatically it will goes to the next word, next search. Okay, children, if again you will click on this enter key, it won't work. Did you understand, children? Like this you can search any word or any information in your data sheet. Okay, where it will be, children? This one search box at the bottom. You have the search box here. This is called a search. See, I am just deleting each and everything. You just see here. If I want to search, again you just click on here search and you type 1000. I want to search now. See, 1000 is there. If you click on enter key, means again it will go to the next word. Okay.